how to customize footer section in Godaddy website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your footer or your Godaddy website footer into the builder of them. So it is going to be very simple and very easy. We're going to head over to godaddy.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to visit all the products of the account that you have created. Once you have did that, we're going to select the website that we want to modify the footer of. For example, we are going to head over one of these. Click on the website, wait for a few seconds until the dashboard of the website is going to be loaded, and then we're going to open up the editor by clicking on the edit website here. Click on it, wait for a few seconds, you're going to see the editor show up or the website builder show up. Now, we have into the website a header, a body, and a footer. So we're going to see the header at first. The body is going to be the content outside the header. And finally, we're going to have the footer. As you can see, it is going to be distinguished with the copyright, as you can see here, and also the logo of the GoDaddy. You're going to click on it and you're going to see the definition of the website slash footer. You can change the layout of the footer by clicking on here, and here we have only 4 types. We have this one, which is going to be the animated one. We're going to wait for it. And this is going to be the case. I think this is the one that we have. This is the already set up footer. We have the simpler one, which is going to be this. And this is going to be the little bit longer one. So how we can customize that footer? Basically, you can either change the layout of it, change the background color of it, have here, for example, the text or the copyright, as you can see, and you can show up the GoDaddy IRO, as you can see in here, logo or not. For example, you can go ahead and have it like this. Now, for the social account, you can go ahead and add the links for here. So you can go ahead and add or put the social media links and start by adding the link of them, and it is going to be right there. So you can connect as much as social media accounts in here. Basically, it needs to be mentioned only in here. So that was the first one. The second customization is going to have the site navigation. So you can go ahead and head over your site navigation and add it right there. So aside from that, you can go ahead and have the color change of the specific, as you can see here, footer. For the layout, it is going to be very limited to these 4. So let's say that we're going to have this footer and we want to maybe have the specific, let's say here, something else added. Basically, we cannot. So it is going to be sufficient to add the social media apps or the social media links, also the copywriting in here. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.